In today's video, we are going to talk about the importance of clean water in poultry farming. Clean water matters in poultry farming because it supports overall health and well-being of your birds. It facilitates efficient nutrition absorption and digestion. It regulates body temperature, essential for egg production. It boosts the immune system and it enhances productivity and growth. So water plays important roles in poultry metabolism like nutrient transportation, waste elimination, egg formation, and maintain consistent productivity. By giving your bird clean water, it enhances poultry health and well-being. It increases productivity and egg quality. It reduces diseases and risks of mortality rate. It improves overall flock performance. Giving your poultry bird contaminated water can lead to waterborne disease such as cholera, typhoid, or salmonellosis. Giving your bird bad water, it weakens their immune system, it diminishing their productivity and also increase mortality rate. You can practice a best water management by developing a water management plan. Train staff on water hygiene and maintenance. Regularly inspect water system and maintain accurate record of water quality and consumption. So now, how to provide clean water for your poultry birds? 1. Use poultry drinker or water with narrow channel or cup minimize contamination. Number 2. Position drinker at a comfortable height. Secure them to prevent tipping. 3. Clean and disinfect drinker daily. Wash them properly. 4. Provide fresh water daily. Change water frequently. When you know that your water is dirty, change them and replace it with clean and cool water. 5. Regularly test water for bacterial pH and nutrient level. 6. Keep water source away from feed dropping and dirt. 7. Consider using water filter or purifier to ensure clean water for your bird. So your poultry birds need a very clean water. So water you cannot drink, don't give that water to your birds. Water play important role in poultry farming. Water play important role in the health of your poultry birds. Take note of this and enjoy your poultry business.